I did consider Finland being part of Scandinavian in the beginning. Sorry for that. I know it's not the entire truth, but it is the truth that there's a lot of great music in Finland, a lot of fantastic musicians, and it is true that if you ever go to Finland, you should visit Kaustinen Festival, because there's a lot of good music and dance going on at that festival. We forgot to tell you that you are allowed to dance in here tonight. If you feel like doing a polka or doing a waltz or a jig or a reel or something like that. Sometimes it doesn't make sense to talk about Finnish music, Danish music, Shetland music, Scottish music, German music, Swiss music, whatever it might be, because music is music, and it's all going down to the same roots, the same tracks, and that is actually quite good to think about it that way. The next is a waltz, and I composed this waltz a couple of years ago, and after composing it, it came to my mind that this waltz was about hope. Hope as a universal thing. We all need hope for our dear ones, good friends, we need hope in love or in our career or job, anything like that. We need hope in this crazy world. From no matter where you see this world, we need hope to go on. And I went all the way out west here in this country, and I came to the west coast of Oregon to a little village named Port Orford, and I found a lot of people with great hope, and they reminded me that it is important to keep hope for the future. And working with this bunch of people for several days, it has given me a lot of hope for the future in all sense. This is Port Orford, and this is for all of you and for all of you who need and want some